So welcome everybody, all the Cyber Sangha and friends of Cyber Sangha and all our international Ligmicha practice groups and retreat centers, families, friends, everywhere, wherever you are, whichever position, rooms you are in, listening to me, welcome. So we're going to start with the refuge prayer, inner refuge prayer, and I will do a short guided meditation so we can all settle down in and quiet our mind before we begin the teaching. So bring your full attention to your body. Feel the stillness in your body. Be aware and fully connect with that stillness. And breathe deep. Every exhalation, release the tensions in your body, in the field of energy, in your mind. Just let go of all the tensions and bring your full attention to your body and feel the stillness. Just be aware you are not doing alone this practice. We are connected all around the world. All the cyber sanghas, friends. So you are fully supported. We're all supporting each other at this moment through this connection. Continuously be aware of the stillness in your body. You can lose the connection as many times it happens, but it's important to remember each time when you lose the connection to reconnect and continue with that connection. It is okay to lose the connection, but it is not okay to not remember or not be aware of losing connection. Because the only way you can reconnect is when you're aware of you're disconnected. Gradually be aware of this inner stillness, the stillness of your being. Stillness beyond physical dimension, beyond focusing on the stillness of the body. The stillness which can never be affected by any changes or any movements. The second refuge. Dāngā bōmbē tēnzō yearlong rācā tē mājē gādā nām yearlong wējē gōlā jācō. Listen, the inner silence, the silence of the speech. Feel the silence within, connect with that inner silence, and rest deep in that inner silence. If those you are having thoughts and difficult to experience the silence, then listen to the silence, because you are listening to the voices in your head. Just shift the attention to the silence. And the moment you connect and you hear the silence, the noise will stop naturally. Breathe deep continuously, and every exhalation, release the tensions in your body, breath, and mind. Connect deeper with that inner silence. There's some sense that you are that silence, your being is that silence, and sound or noises cannot affect you. And continuously, just be aware that we are supporting each other, we are connected with each other, we are not alone doing these practices. We are connected through this stillness, we are connected through this silence. We experience the same stillness and same silence. Geshe Wangyal Be aware of the spaciousness of your mind, the openness of your mind. Mind is always clear and luminous. If you're just trying to be aware of it, it is like that, and you experience it like that, clear and luminous. Like being a sky, not clouds. Like experiencing a space within your body, within every cell in your body, and particularly every solid areas or blockages in your body, to bring the awareness of the space. The stronger the awareness you experience in those locations, the more the space or opening that you experience in those locations. And those who are very new or first time here, not clearly understanding what's happening, don't try too hard. Allow yourself to be in the present in this collective sanghas practice. Allow to benefit you by simply being open and being present, and not trying, not controlling, simply being presence in this collective, powerful practice. Just for a moment, reflect a little bit. What element that you are missing in order to heal and retrieve your soul, or what element that you have recognized that you are missing last couple of months that we have been working on the soul healing from the true source practices. Such as missing an earth, lacking stability, centeredness, connectedness, ability to connect or ability to be connected, maintain connections in any situation, either job, relationship, a practice, meditation, a task, an experience, or lack of water, the sense of not feeling ease, comfort, feeling restless, disconnected, wanting to be somewhere else, do something else, be with someone else. Always present moment seems like not appropriate, not settled, not ease. Always in the search mood, which drains a lot. Or lack of fire, not feeling enthusiasm, not feeling curiosity, not feeling drive, energy, inspiration, motivation, joy. Kind of feeling dull, lack of energy, weak. A wind, a feeling of freshness, flow, movement, flexibility, ability to see things, ability to change on spot. Effortless in making necessary changes in any given moment, rather than feeling stuck in one situation, in one feeling, in one thought, in one pain, or one negative relationship. Lack of space, not feeling open enough, not feeling spacious enough. So whatever element you're lacking, not only you're lacking, it's affecting your life, your personal life, your professional life, your family life. Recognize that. Also affecting your spiritual life, or even a moment of meditation, you can see the groundedness is not there, or the clarity is not there, or flexibility is not there, or the ease and comfort is not there. The best meditation is the balance of elements. imbalance manifesting different places, and some are more there's more urgency to recognize and change. So whatever you have reflected, those you have been practicing, and those very new here, whatever makes sense out of my guided meditation here today, just reflect a little bit. How the nature can help you. Communing with the nature, how it can help you retrieve your soul. Just for a moment, imagine whatever element that you are lacking or disconnected with, that you're not feeling enough nourishment from. Locate that element. And this particular session, just for a moment, reflect in your life, the place where you live, the city, the village, wherever you're living, just trying to locate an important place of nature. Have you ever paid attention where the natures are? A driving distance, walking distance, biking distance. A fire element where there's exposure to the sun and warmth, water, the ocean, the beach, river, lake, pond. Place where there's more wind exposure, place where there is more a strong earth energy, or the hill where you can see a lot of open sky. Just locate those places for a moment. Locate those places in your area, and also locate the element which you are missing, which you are working on, in order to retrieve the soul energy, the life force energy, the vitality. So for a moment, imagine going to visit those places, or pick one place, the element which you are missing, that you wanted to retrieve from, and location that you are familiar with. Just imagine visiting there for a moment. As you remember that place, that element, connect with that, even if it's from distance right now, from your from indoor, you're connecting with it. Just connect with that. See it, feel it, connect with it. like any deep connections between two people, a connection of love, care, or like between the mother and the child, a connection, or like between a student and a teacher, a devotional connection. A similar kind of connection, feel with the nature that you are familiar with and allow to nourish your soul through that connection. Allow the essence of that element, a form of light and energy, enter in your body, in your heart, in your soul, to nourish, to enrich, to empower, to strengthen, to fix, to restore, to find. If it's lost, if it's find, it's damaged, has to be restored. If it's weak, it's strengthening it. If it's disconnected, it's connecting with it. Whichever form it has lost, just trying to bring back with the connection. Don't change the element, just sit with one for now. Breathe deep. And also our sacred cyber sanghas connection. As I reminded again and again, you are not alone. We are all connected with each other. And the power of that connection, power of that healing is only or more when you are aware of the connectedness, that you are connected. And there's some sense of trust. We nourish each other, we nourish each other's soul. Through this sacred spiritual connection. And also those who are completely new, and maybe you're trying to figure out so much what's happening here, what he's talking about, who are these people. A typical restless, disconnected questions. Just for a moment is your opportunity to let go of those questions. Just sit, rest, and connect. learn to connect and learn to nourish through connection. And learn how you are disconnected, how often you're disconnected, how often you don't know that you're disconnected. To be more curious about disconnection and connection and retrieving the essence of element for retrieving soul, to be curious about it. Okay, now you can open your eye.